Accounting principles. Accounting principles are the ones which provides the basic accounting norms or the steps or the policies which are to be followed in the accounting system. So basically, these principles are being followed and being adopted by the universal accountants. Okay, so and also there'll be like uniformity, which means each step or the procedure followed in accounting process will be the same. There'll be uniformity and also consistency. Why they call it consistency is there are so many methods in which various accounts are being or ratios are being calculated or depreciation is being calculated. Okay, so for each and everything there are various methods, but still each and every concern following one principle will be followed throughout its life of the business unless and until there are any changes. Okay, so that is how there is uniformity and consistency in the accounting methods and the process also. And these accounting principles are generally known as generally accepted accounting principles. We call it GAAP. Okay, so it provides all the accounting principles, and whatever we follow, like the accounting records or the accounting reports or any simple basic accounting process, will also have to follow the principles of accounting. And accounting standards will be like issued by the national and also international regulatory authorities, so that there'll be uniformity of recording the accounting's procedures, and also the results also will be in same manner. There'll be uniformity followed in the procedure and also the results of accounting. And these accounting standards and also gaps will actually give us the theoretical base. They won't exactly teach us how to write and all. Okay, instead it will be in a theoretical base wherein we have to read and understand the concepts whatever they have given. So here, these are just the guidelines, or we can use it for practicing, right? So that is what is accounting standards are. And there are like basic assumptions or the conditions where accounting has been laid. Like what we follow is double entry system, as I said earlier. We call it as dual aspect concept. And there is something called going concern concept, which means we feel that the business is going to be run for a longer period. Okay, so that is called as going concern concept. Likewise, we have so many concepts, I guess. We have in this chapter around 14 concepts, wherein we'll be regularly using certain concepts while preparing the accounting. And all the process of accounting concepts will actually provide us a uniformity in the process, accounting process, and also the accounting reports. Okay, so the word convention here, it refers to the tradition or the usage, which means how do we prepare the accounting statements, how do we practice it. Okay, that is what the convention means here in this topic. And these conventions have been recognized by the regulatory authorities, like whether it is reliable, whether it can be useful or not. So all those are being already discussed. Okay, so this is what the accounting principle is, as such introduction part is concerned. And there are, as I said, there are more accounting concepts and conventions, but here we are given certain important accounting concepts and conventions.